Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. So right now we are in the home section. You can see an infinity looping hand gesture as well as the home icon portfolio image that we have. You can see it to give very 3D and professional look to your website, and the social media icons, you can see the hover effect on them. And then we have the icons that we have integrated using data ions that we have integrated directly into our website, and you can see how neatly they have all been aligned. Then we can go to the education section. This is the education section. You can see the education line as well as the certificates. You can see how neatly we have added, and you can see the box shadow effect around it. Then we can go to the skills section. You can see how neatly the skills are being projected here. And we can go to the project section. You can see hover effect on the projects. You can add more as many as you want. Then contact me section. You can see hover effect on the social media icons and download CV button. Then here is a say hello button, you can see. Then we have the light and dark mode for this website. That is the main functionality of this website. Let's go to the dark mode of this website. This is the dark mode. You can see hover effect on the images, how neatly, perfectly we are aligning the light and dark mode so that you can be able to use it in a very good manner. And you can see the box shadow effect. You can see the white shadow effect on the certifications. Then we can go to the skills. You can see the smooth transition taking place. Then we have the projects. And then we can go to the contact me section. See, this is the contact me section. The entire website is responsive, that is, it is also available in mobile as well as in tab version. Let me show you the mobile version of it. This is the mobile version of the website. You can see how perfectly we have aligned all the images exactly at the center. And we can, this is the menu bar. You can go to the education section. Just 1 second. Education section. You can see how neatly they have all been aligned. The skills section also. So the entire website is totally responsive, that is, it is also available in mobile as well as tab versions. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. And the full tutorial will be added to the YouTube channel, and there are a lot of tutorials, line by line code explanations have been done, and you can find them in my YouTube channel. Definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.